Master video call etiquette and customer service calls. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are focusing on an important topic in the listening and speaking skills section, telephone and video call etiquette. More specifically, we're going to dive into some role-playing scenarios for customer service calls. This is a vital skill in today's digital world, where video calls have become a significant part of our daily communication. So, let's get started. In a customer service call, it's essential to remember some key elements. Always greet the customer politely and professionally, listen attentively, and speak clearly. Always remember to maintain a positive tone and never interrupt the customer. For instance, a typical conversation might start like this. Good morning, afternoon, evening. My name is... Your name. How may I assist you today? By saying this, you're introducing yourself and inviting the customer to share their issue or question. After the customer has shared their concern, it's crucial to respond appropriately. Empathize with the customer, and assure them that you understand their issue. For example, you might say, I understand how frustrating that must be. Let me look into this for you right away. This acknowledges the customer's feelings and reassures them that you're there to help. When you're providing a solution or answering a question, be as clear and concise as possible. If the solution is complicated, break it down into simple steps. For example, you could say, I've checked your account, and I can help you reset your password. First, go to the login page. Remember to check if the customer has understood the solution. When closing the conversation, ensure that the customer doesn't have any further questions. Thank them for their time and patience, and assure them that you're there to help should they need anything else. You might say, do you have any other questions or concerns I can help with? No? All right, thank you for your patience. Have a great day. So, that's a wrap on our video call etiquette for customer service calls. It's always important to remember to stay professional, be empathetic, and speak clearly. It's about ensuring the customer feels heard, understood, and valued. I hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to practice these scenarios to sharpen your customer service skills over video calls. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.